Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And this one, we have 2u du. This one, we have 1 over 1 plus s squared. This one, that is about the constants. So you got 0. Because we don't have negative number 5 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 5. So this one we change by u. The s over 1 plus s squared we change by this one. So negative number 2 over 5 I will put outside. U and u we have u squared. The integration of this one we have u to the power of 3 over 3 and I will put about c. Number 5 and number 3 we have 2 over 15. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.